Knowledge Nexus.
Have you ever wondered how millionaires think? What sets them apart? The world is captivated by the lifestyles of the wealthy. We crave their secrets, hoping to unlock the doors to financial freedom ourselves. The truth is, becoming a millionaire is less about luck and more about mindset. It's about adopting a specific way of thinking and acting that attracts wealth. For many, the world of millionaires seems distant and unattainable. We imagine a life of luxury, ease, and endless possibilities. But often the most significant difference lies not in their bank accounts, but in their minds. Millionaires have cultivated a mindset geared towards abundance and opportunity. It's this mindset that sets the stage for their financial success. Let's delve into the secrets of the millionaire mindset. We'll uncover the principles that guide their actions and decisions. By understanding their strategies, you can begin to shift your own mindset. This journey starts with embracing the power of your thoughts and their impact on your financial future. Remember, the path to wealth is paved with the right mindset. It's time to unlock your millionaire potential. Millionaires are not afraid to dream big. They set audacious goals that stretch their limits. They understand that the size of your success is directly proportional to the size of your dreams. Thinking small yields small results. Thinking big, on the other hand, opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine yourself exceeding your current financial goals tenfold. What would that look like for you? Don't limit your aspirations. Millionaires dare to envision a future brimming with abundance. They set their sights high, knowing that even if they fall short, they'll still achieve extraordinary things. The key is to set goals that excite you, that ignite a fire within. These goals should scare you a little and excite you a lot. When you think big, you expand your horizons and create a roadmap for extraordinary success. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Use it to paint a vivid picture of your desired future. Dare to dream big and watch as your actions align to turn those dreams into reality. We all harbor beliefs about money, often subconscious, that shape our financial reality. These beliefs can either empower or limit us. Millionaires have mastered the art of identifying and overcoming limiting beliefs. They challenge thoughts like money is scarce or wealth is only for the lucky few. Limiting beliefs act as invisible barriers, preventing us from attracting wealth. They keep us stuck in a cycle of financial struggle. To break free, we must first acknowledge and then actively challenge these beliefs. Replace negative thoughts with empowering affirmations. Instead of "I can't afford it," tell yourself, "How can I create the resources to achieve this?" Shifting your internal dialogue from scarcity to abundance is crucial. Remember, your beliefs shape your reality. By confronting and transforming limiting beliefs about money, you pave the way for financial freedom. The millionaire mindset is not passive. It's about taking consistent action towards your goals. Millionaires are not dreamers, they are doers. They understand that even the most brilliant plan is useless without execution. Action is the bridge that connects your current reality with your desired future. It's about taking that first step, and then the next, even when it feels daunting. Every step, no matter how small, moves you closer to your financial goals. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. Don't wait for the perfect time or the ideal circumstances. Start where you are, with what you have, and take that first step today. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. Embrace the power of consistent action, and watch as you bridge the gap between your dreams and reality. Section 5. Supercharging your income strategies for financial growth. Millionaires are masters at creating multiple streams of income. They understand that relying on a single source of income is risky. They diversify their earnings, constantly seeking new opportunities to grow their wealth. One powerful strategy is to develop high-income skills. Invest in yourself by acquiring knowledge and expertise in a field with high earning potential. This could involve learning new technologies, mastering a craft, or pursuing advanced education. Another avenue is to explore side hustles. Turn your passions into profits by starting a business, freelancing, or investing in real estate. The gig economy offers endless possibilities to generate additional income streams. Leverage the power of your network. Surround yourself with ambitious individuals. Attend industry events, connect with mentors, and explore partnerships. Your network is a goldmine of opportunities waiting to be uncovered. Remember, increasing your income requires proactive effort. By diversifying your income streams and constantly seeking new opportunities, you accelerate your journey towards financial abundance. Section 6. The Power of Mentorship. Learning from the best. Millionaires rarely achieve success alone. They understand the value of mentorship and seek guidance from those who have already walked the path they aspire to tread. Mentors provide invaluable insights, support, and accountability. Finding a mentor in your field of interest can be transformative. Look for individuals who have achieved the level of success you desire. Reach out to them, express your admiration, and request their guidance. A mentor can help you navigate challenges, avoid costly mistakes, and accelerate your progress. They can offer a fresh perspective, provide honest feedback, and inspire you to reach your full potential. Remember, seeking mentorship is not a sign of weakness but a hallmark of a growth mindset. By learning from the best, you gain a significant advantage on your journey to financial success. Section 7. Building a Wealthy Mindset. A lifelong journey. Developing a millionaire mindset is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process of growth and self-improvement. It's about cultivating positive habits, embracing lifelong learning, and constantly seeking ways to expand your comfort zone. Make reading books and listening to podcasts by successful individuals a daily practice. Attend seminars and workshops that challenge your thinking and provide you with new perspectives. Surround yourself with positive and supportive individuals who believe in your dreams. Limit your exposure to negativity and those who doubt your abilities. Remember, your mindset is your most valuable asset. By investing in its continuous development, you unlock unlimited potential for financial and personal growth. Section 8. Your Millionaire Potential. Embracing the Transformative Journey. The journey to financial freedom begins in the mind. By embracing the principles of the Millionaire Mindset, you can transform your financial future. Remember, it's not about luck or circumstance, it's about choice. Choose to think big, to conquer your limiting beliefs, and to take consistent action. Choose to invest in yourself, to seek mentorship, and to surround yourself with positivity. The path to wealth is open to those who dare to believe in their potential and are willing to put in the work. Embrace the transformative power of the Millionaire Mindset and watch as you unlock extraordinary opportunities. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.